In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this simple GRUB menu, as you can see, into a different beautiful one like this. So we have different themes that we can choose from. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing that you need to do is go into this repo. I'm going to put the link in the description below, which is called GRUB. Scroll down, and here you can see that different themes here. You can scroll and choose whatever you want and enter the link below it. So I choose this GRUB, and below you can see there is an installation. There is the installation. For here there is an automatic installation and manual installation. So you can read it, and it's really simple. And also I did my own installation here. The steps are explained. So here there are two ways of Debian and Arch. So it's short and simple. And here I want to mention that here there is Nano, but you can use Micro. So the difference is that Micro has a shortcut of any text editor like Ctrl+S and Ctrl+Q, but Nano has different shortcuts. So if you want to use Micro, you just need to install it and replace it with Micro here. And also encourage you to use Micro instead of Nano. It's a terminal text editor. And that's it. It's really easy to configure. Alright, see you in the next tutorial. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.